because this is the only reason why I'm doing this. I'm trying to help people, because when I was young, when I was like 16, 18 years old, I was thinking and hoping that there's gonna be someone who will help me, who will do the same like things that I'm doing for people right now, for Ukrainian, for American, for everyone. So I'm sending the link in our social media. You will find all our social media links in bio. Just go visit that. And I need to send one more thing to WhatsApp group. Okay, so WhatsApp group, this is gonna be the last thing for people who's been watching us. The YouTube, we are starting. I'm turning off the mobile phone. I don't want to read it. I don't want to watch this. I'm not selling anything. I'm giving people non-financial advices. Just watch my videos and you will see how every month we're predicting the movement of the market like that. Why I'm doing this? I'm waiting until the huge company will see me, see my team, see my company, will see our algorithm and buy out us. So 40 seconds until we start. Uh, 33 seconds. 26, 25. Hello everyone. Prepare for the best hour and a half in your crypto trading life. We are starting in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. TikTokers, visit the link in bio. You will see all the live stream with the chat, with everything that I'm trying to show to the people. So thank you very much. Hello everyone. Hello my friends. Hello, hello, hello. Nice to see you. Nice to meet you. Nice to be here with you. So first of all, I want to say thank you. Thanks to everyone who pressed the like button on the previous video. First of all, 4,000 views in a week and 600 plus likes. Appreciate that. Thank you very much. As far as I said in previous week where our live stream was interrupted, I will do the next live stream only when we hit 500 likes. I'm not doing this for myself. I'm doing this for you. So I really appreciate all your comments, all your likes, all your support, and especially your subscription. For those of you who's been watching me right now on the TikTok, just go and visit link in bio. And you will see the whole live stream, because today we're gonna talk about the Bitcoin, the crypto market, the stock market, what's gonna happen next, what's gonna be with the market, because I'm so fucking tired of all these influencers who's just talking and talking, who's just like manipulating their audience. They just putting them in the coins, which are paying them for promotion. They are just putting you in the market without any kind of knowledge, without any kind of experience. They just telling you, hey, we are going to the moon. And yes, the name of this video, that Bitcoin will go to the moon. But depends on how close this moon will be, or how far this moon will be from the Earth. So we need to understand that while yesterday I was walking around the Rodeo Drive, the guy across the street, he was like screaming, hey, where do I need to buy Bitcoin? I was telling him, not today, not 8th of March. So I'm telling every girl, every woman, every like, whoever think that he is the woman, I'm telling you, yesterday was the World National Women's Day. So happy Women's Day to everyone who has vagina. Maybe you, Johnny, happy Women's Day to you as well. So this is some kind of like humor. I'm trying to show people easy way to understanding crypto trading investments. So no offense, please. the guy was screaming across the street like, hey, when I should buy, we are going to $500,000, we are going to $200,000. And I was understanding that my mic wouldn't catch this sound, probably wouldn't catch this sound because it's across the street. But I was telling him like, maybe in the next 3 years, we will be higher than $250,000, but not this year. So as far as I'm telling people, the cycle will probably end in autumn, but almost like 10 or 20 videos on my TikTok been telling you like, hey guys, chill out, December or beginning of January, this is the end for Bitcoin. So I'm not putting any kind of money on the Bitcoin. I'm just trading Bitcoin. I'm just trying to catch all this movement up and down, and everyone was like, who's following me, and this is not kind of any advice. You can follow Kardashians, you can follow like whatever dancer or just the ugly cripple guy like who's dancing, doing some like crazy shit, or the lady who's cooking cookies on the kitchen, barely naked. Like, I don't care who's in your following list, but for those of you who's been following me only just because I'm giving some kind of legit information, for those of you who's just found me or like on TikTok, you just see me for the first time, you can go and watch the pinned messages in our Telegram channel. You can go and watch pinned videos, or just go on the YouTube channel, spend few hours out from Netflix videos, out from like some kind of Logan Paul or whatever, who making money on this content, like making you happy, making you funny. For example, I'm always watching Whistle Diesel. He's like the perfect guy. Maybe someday I will destroy like few fancy cars to increase amount of followers, but I don't have any kind of subscription on the Apple Music or whatever music. I'm always trying to listen the podcast or the audiobooks while I'm running, while I'm flying, while I'm doing anything that like taking my time, while not sitting or just waiting or whatever. I'm trying to consume information. So if you're gonna spend like, I think it's gonna be like 10 hours because we just start doing this. And again, I'm gonna tell you that we'll really appreciate if you're gonna follow us on the YouTube, because here I'm trying to give you as much information as I can. And and of course, you will see how we predict the price, or go in any social media. For example, my Instagram channel, my main Ukrainian Instagram channel, you will find that channel, like whatever you're gonna find it, just type my last name, Trushkovsky, Trushkovsky, in the search, and you will find a lot of videos on the YouTube. You'll find a lot of things like on the Instagram or like other social media. And go and watch my highlights, where you're gonna see that I'm doing this since 2016. Like, I'm literally in the social media showing people that I'm buying crypto, that I'm selling crypto, that I'm investing, that I'm trading, that I'm like learning, that I'm trying to improve myself since 2016. I'm not that kind of person who's doing this only just to like to show people, hey, I'm cool, I'm driving that car or doing this. Because if I'm gonna do that kind of content, I will have way more followers. But I'm trying to show people that there is like the easy way to understand trading, understand crypto. And as far as I said like 2 weeks ago, we should probably go and talk about the how young people, how any people all over the world could be founded. Like literally too many people telling me like, hey, you're trading $100,000, you're trading $10,000, you're doing profit only just because you have a huge amount of money. So I will start in crypto from $800 and I go through $3 million of deposit. My biggest loss was $800,000 non-fixed losses. So it's literally like my deposit go lower probably on 75-80% from $1.1 million, the one wallet from $1.1 million to literally like $260,000, $300,000. Right now it's a little bit better because I scaled some position, but still this is non-realized losses, which I'm still holding. Like right now I'm holding huge position on the meme coins, which are in the non-realized losses. I'm not the perfect trader, but I'm honest trader, and I'm trying to show you like you can do the same. But there is a thing. I'm not trying to promote anything. I don't give a fuck. Either you will go there or you will spend your money, your opening position, you're closing your position, either you're in long or short position. I don't care about that. I'm just showing you how you could be more profitable. We are not fixing losses, but we still could sit in the position through day, through week, through months, or whatever. Like since 2021, when I didn't fix that huge wallet, I'm in like non-realized losses. But still, the long story short, I start my journey from $800. I go to $40,000, then I double it, then I put like a little bit more money, and from $200,000 I made $3.3 million in 2021. I bought like everything that I own in my life, real estate, cars, travels, like whatever. And from that point, from 3.3 million, there is still 1.1 million on the one wallet, and like less than 1 million right now in my trading deposit. So you could do the same. You could do literally the same. Either you're trying to sell the information, either you're trying to gather the community, or you're trying to like be founded. If you haven't, like I'm always telling people in Ukraine, you don't need money to open the business. You don't need money to do anything. In Ukraine, it's really difficult to get the credit to be that's will be better. So in Ukraine, you can't get the credit on the business or like literally on the car or apartment. It's not easy. But still, I'm always telling people, hey guys, all you need to have is the information. All you need to have just skills. You need to prove to the people with the money, and there is too many people with the money right now watching me. There is too many people with the huge amount of money in your family, in your like classmates or your university friends, or like your neighbors, or your followers in Instagram. Sorry for that. You have time to press like, and I will really appreciate it. Like, how many people watching me right now? 349 people, and we have only 153 likes. So please press the like button. I will really appreciate it. So there is too many people all over the world who are millionaires and who can give you money because they don't have time. So all you need to have, like, you don't have money, yeah? Let's put it out. You should have time, like I have free time to clean your apartment, so you will pay me for cleaning. You understand that? I have free time to trade your money, so you will give me the money. Either you have some information, for example, you following me and you're like, hey, this guy predicting the price for the last like year and a half or more or whatever, and he's always right. Hey daddy, how are you? I don't need new Birkin. Oh please, could you send me like $500,000 so I will put it in the market on the next dip? How do I know where they're gonna be the next dip? Don't ask me that fucking silly questions. He will call you back. The next thing, you have knowledge, you have skills. So if you know how to trade $1, if you know how to trade demo trading account, you can show it, for example, to your parents, to your friends, to whatever who coming to McDonald's and you're serving him his food. Like, just catch his attention and show him. Like, literally, you doing Uber, you doing DoorDash or whatever, like, you always have opportunity to have a small talk with people. Just show them, just prove them, just tell them like, hey, I will show you what's gonna happen with the $100, and then you will think about it, giving me $10,000 or $100,000. And the last but not least, it's and the last but not least, it's your community. So if you have anything from that, you always will find the money for your project, for your health, whatever, like people donating money. You just need to give them something in return. So the founded account, it is something that too many people here, especially in the United States, they are trading. Like not many people have $50,000 in their bank account, so they can put $50,000 in the market and start their journey without knowledge, without experience. So they're gonna probably lose the money, because like almost 90-95% of people losing their money. But you should understand that if you have $25, you could get $50,000 funded. We will talk about that if this video will hit 1,000 likes. If I'm gonna see 1,000 likes on this video, I will do the separate live stream only to show you how and where you can be funded, and you can earn 80% of profit from all your trades. So I think this is way than enough for right now to talk about the something that's not so interesting. Let's talk about Bitcoin. Let's talk about Bitcoin. Let's talk about everything that was interrupted on the last week. And for those of you who's been watching me, like 152 person watching me on the TikTok, please go visit link in bio, go on my YouTube channel, and you will find the huge horizontal video with that chart. We're gonna talk about the crypto. We're gonna talk about the stocks. I think I have like hour and a half until I need to go and doing some kind of crazy things. I will go on the Rodeo Drive today. So if you're gonna kick my face, if you wanna like stole my car or whatever, let's meet on the Rodeo Drive probably from 2 p.m. So let's talk about the Bitcoin. And we're gonna talk about market, but we're not gonna talk about altcoins, because too many people in my DMs been telling me, hey, why you giving so much information for those who do not respect you? Why you giving so much information, like free information, to people who not appreciate what you're doing for them? So thank you very much. I will stop doing this, and I will do only when you are giving me your respect and love, and when I'm like literally feeling that you appreciate my information. So if you want to have more information, you will find all links in bio or description. Just go below this video and you will find our Telegram channel, our WhatsApp group. You will find our private group. Yeah, you ask us and we provide you the private group where we're posting too many additional information, and especially you, for those of you who trying to or want to have that indicator, just text me. And please remember, there is too many scammers, especially on the TikTok. I will never text you first. I will never write in a comment, hey, please send me your WhatsApp number or whatever. No, I'm not hiding from anyone. I'm giving people, like, literally, here I am. So if you want, you can arrange the video call with me. If you are answering the comment which somebody with my face or my name or my nickname sent to you in DMs, especially, I will never text you in DMs. Never. Like, I'm trying not to answer on your DMs. So it's impossible that I will text to you. Even if you like Kendall Jenner or whatever you are, I'm not that kind of person. So let's talk about market. Let's talk about market. And first of all, we will turn everything off and see what our, for example, 2 weeks time frame showing us. So why I'm so pretty sure that we are still has the huge opportunity to go higher till the end of this year, probably October or November, only just because there still was no huge alt season. We saw the Solana, the Ripple, even Ethereum almost hit its all-time high, almost. The Bitcoin, something crazy. And who's been telling you since August, September, October, every month, exactly the date of the huge dip. 5th of August, 2nd of September, 10th of October, and especially 4th of November. I'm so proud of myself and my team. Like, we are literally God. Like, we're doing this for you, and we will stop doing this. I'm just preparing you for that. So if you want to know more, if you want to learn something, like if you want to change your mindset, just fucking follow me. If I'm gonna have 100,000 followers as I had in Ukraine, like literally in the YouTube 300,000 followers, on the Instagram it was before war 200 something, right now it's like 154,000 followers, and say hi to angry Ukrainians. They are literally hating me because I leave my country and I'm like choosing the free life. I'm choosing to like spend my best years visiting different countries, eating food, not giving my life for those who don't give a fuck about us. Like, my father literally called me back 2 days ago and said, like, I just received my first pension. Guess how much money it was? So in Ukraine it's hryvnia. The $1 cost 42 hryvnias. So he literally get 3,000 hryvnias. It's fucking $65 per month. Like, what? And he has the birthday in 2 days. So I love my country, but this is not the country where I should live. So I'm doing this for you, and I will do this until I feel that, okay, that's enough. Now I'm free to go. So if we're gonna see the 2 weeks time frame, you will find that here, this was like the motivational speech for, I will read it to you. I will translate it to you. So that speech was made probably 3 days ago. Here text in Russian, but I will translate it to you. You know what I'm gonna do? You know what I'm gonna do? Let's do something like that. So momentum dump to March 12, liquidity withdrawal 78k, mass opening of long at 75k. So I'm like trying to show you what the mass of people will do. Removal of the stops below 65-50k, so they will literally gonna trigger the stop losses of all of those who's waiting for 75k. So if I were you and I miss the 28th of February and I didn't open on $78,000 long positions, so I wouldn't open on 75. I will wait lower. So probably if we're gonna hit $78,000, we will go to $75,000. There we're gonna catch like a huge liquidity of the people who are still holding their limit orders somewhere like here on $75,000, and then we're gonna go lower. So that's why I'm a little bit afraid of the next 2 days. And after that, there is going to be like the huge fear, and people will be disappointed in the market one more time, because how many time again we will go lower. Like literally only the Bitcoin and like few assets are going up, especially those assets which you didn't bought. So the people gonna feel fear and disappointment. They're gonna submit their resume to McDonald's. This is how it's translated. Like they're gonna submit their resume to McDonald's, and they're gonna see, they're gonna desire, they're gonna like dream about the pattern which will show them that, okay, we hit somewhere to like $65,000, so probably we will go lower. They will close their losses, they will fix their losses on the long position, and they will reopen their short position. And from that moment, we will have the sharp impulse movement on almost all crypto market up. So this is my opinion, but I will delete that, and let's talk about what will probably will be. And you're gonna find almost literally the same things that I was telling people a week ago or 2 weeks ago. There was only one gap on the YouTube, I think 2 weeks, because we were like fighting with the insurance company. We've been water flooded in our apartment. We've been fighting with our apartment building, and still like there was no opportunity for me to set up all this studio for you. So thank you for your likes. Thank you for your subscription. 200 followers on the TikTok. Hey, follow me. Just watch my video. Just like 5 first videos. So you will activate the algorithm. You will see all my content. I'm trying to show people that trading and investments, not something that goes against the people because of news. The first go the price. The second goes the news. They drop in the news after the movement. So I'm trying to open eyes on the market. So follow me, and you will find everything else link in bio. And especially if you want to see the whole live stream, just go and visit link in bio, and you will find my YouTube channel. So as I said, like on the previous, I'm waiting Bitcoin somewhere from 67 to 60, maybe $65,000, somewhere here. We still have this $75,000 line, and too many people waiting to open long position 75. So if we're gonna hit $78,000, we will go way lower. So remember that. If we are on the $75,000, if we are breaking like 78 and going to 75, then we will drop way lower than 67. Like from 67 till 54, 55. This is the real huge possibility. But too many people will wait price of the Bitcoin here. Too many people will wait on the 53,000. So if we hit 75, then we'll probably will go lower. They will start to thinking about this liquidity on the 60,000. They will start to think about 64, 68, and the most like people will put their stop losses. Too many people will put their stop losses here. So if we're gonna put that mark here, the huge mark, you see that zone here, which was here. So I will show you one more thing. Like that's what's happening, like how to see that. Like these drawings, this text was here like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, months ago. I was telling people that we are going down, up, down, we will do something like that and go down again. So like I'm showing the zones and writing like when it's gonna happen. And you can find all of this video in previous YouTube streams. Like I think 2 previous videos will be way then enough for you to believe like, oh my God, this guy knows something. So let's come back to our charts. Sorry for a little bit misleading, or like I'm not the Google Maps. If something goes up in my mind, I need to tell it. So thank you for understanding. I'm some kind of like, you know, the artist. This is my performance. So if I want to sit naked, I will be naked. If I'm gonna like do this in Ukrainian language, наприклад, я можу спілкуватися так, or Russian, я можу розмовляти так, or I was learning French for 10 years, but like literally everything that I can say, like, je m'appelle André, comment allez-vous, madame? Oui, merci, ça va très bien. Like literally I was skipping the lessons. And I can use AI and translate my voice to Chinese, Bulgarian, like whatever language. So this is my performance. And please don't judge me for my not perfect English. Thank you very much. So we're receiving the alerts that the Bitcoin dominance 15 minutes could go lower. It's the good sign, but wait. So what other people will do, will see, and what's gonna happen? I'm not the kind of person who giving you like 2 ways of scenario. Like there is no 2 ways of moving the price. I'm trying to give you only 1 way. I'm always putting my money on that way. If I'm telling that I'm opening long position, it means that I'm opening this long position, but it doesn't mean that I'm putting all my money on the table. I'm not going all in using the leverage. I'm not going even 10% of my deposit in one position if I'm using the future trading, the leverage or whatever. Like, you literally should understand the basics of risk management, and you should have some kind of strategy. Like, for those of you who doesn't have our algorithm and you trying to realize and understand how this algorithm works, you should have this algorithm to open all these trades. But too many people texting us, and we send in these reviews, thank you very much for that, in our public Telegram channel, like showing people that even if you don't have nothing, you don't need to follow any kind of blogger who's been telling you like, oh my God, they just did that. Or in few days, they're gonna do that. Like, I don't care about that. I wanna show you what's gonna happen with the price, not in the world, depending on the government, depending on the weather, depending on the, I don't know, political situation, war situation, or whatever. They will do whatever they need to do to put the price higher or lower than you are expecting. They will do whatever they need to do, and they will tell you in the news whatever they need to tell you. Like, I even don't give a fuck about the news. People texting me, hey, did you saw that they did that? For those of you who didn't remember, I will show you. This is our channel. Let's go here, where the Trump give a speech. So Trump give a speech, and I'm posting like, and the price goes down. Let's take a look. It's 4:15 p.m. 6th of March. March, 3 p.m. Where is the 4 p.m.? So here it is. This is 1 hour time frame. We need 15 minutes time frame. Let's go back to, take a look at this. Oh, why it's UTC -7? I need to have the UTC -8. Oh, the time was changed, yeah? Probably. It was -8. Right now it's minus. What's happening with this? But it's okay. It's fine with me. I truly understand that here's the 4 p.m. Here's the 4:15. The same. Like, let's go on the 1 minute time frame. Take a look at this. 4:13, 4:15. Like I'm telling people, the price goes down. That's it. My friend sending me this screenshot about the breaking. President Trump signs executive order officially creating a Bitcoin strategic reserve. Who give a fuck? The price will go there where it should be. So you need to understand that, like, literally everything that they showing to you, the same. And from that point, the price go down. And let's turn it off. Let's go back on the 15 minutes where it is. 6 here. The Trump signs something. Like, who gives a shit? The price will go there where it should be. So I'm trying to show you that. And right now, like 82,700, the price will go lower. Just understand that it doesn't mean that you need to open the short position right now. No, don't open short position. You need to understand where you need to open the short position. You need to understand where you need to close this short position. This is not some kind of financial advice. This is not some kind of signals. Too many people texting me, hey, where can I get the signal group? No, you cannot get the signal group. If you want to get signal, go to the car and press the steering wheel signal button. That's it. Like, that's it. That's all signals that you need to have. Why nobody asking, like, where can I learn? How can I understand? Like, there is people who's asking, but that's some kind of people who's like, oh, I have a poor family, I have a big problems, I have loans, I have like my mother dying, my father like pooping, my children begging for some food, please help me. I cannot help everyone, but I'm doing way more than the government, especially in the schools, in the university, or whatever. And I'm spending too much time with people. So what's gonna happen next and when we should buy? So if we're gonna see that mark was put it here, on the 1 hour or 15 minutes or whatever. Like literally, either you're gonna buy right now for a small amount of money, or let's like try to understand. We have the 1 hour time frame here. Yeah, here it is. Like I will use that chart. It shows us like right now you could open long position which will hold like for a week or months or more. You shouldn't put too much money in that position. Like for example, 1% of your deposit, so you wouldn't get the liquidation. A lot of people asking me, hey, how you could hold this position? Because I'm not putting all my money in that position. 224 people. Thank you everyone who's been watching me on the TikTok. You can find the whole live stream by visiting the link in bio. You will find all our social medias. Just follow me on the TikTok and all other social media. We're talking about the market, we're talking about the Bitcoin, we're talking about the price, and I'm trying to show you a little bit more than just the basic financial literacy. So thank you very much. So if we're gonna see here, we have the bottom, yeah, on the 1 hour time frame. So if you choose in the 1 hour time frame, you could hold your long position till 12th of March, or you could hold this position until the trading filter will be in the higher point, because while the filter will go up, you will fix your position. I will show you. For example, you open position here, you fix it here. So look, you open it here, you fix it here. The same here. You opening on the lower part, you fixing on the higher part. For example, you opening when you're receiving the green cross and the price are turning around, you opening here, you closing here, you catching that moment. Exactly the opposite things happening with the short position. So if you want to catch this moment, you need to open your short position here and fix it here. The green cross, the red cross, this is the divergence. They are sometimes hidden, but they work perfectly. So if you're receiving the red cross, it means that the next one or few candle will go down. You see that? Red cross going down. If you're receiving, for example, the green triangle or the green cross, it means that the next candle or next few candles will go up. Like red, it's bearish, green, it's bullish. So right now on the 1 hour time frame, we are going up. Yeah, for example, I'm doing this all the time. I will open the Bitcoin in long right now. So I open this position. I also have a few more positions, but they are not performing well right now. But that's fine with me. I never fix losses. So it means that we are opening our long position on the 1 hour time frame, and probably I should consider to fix that position somewhere here. This is gonna be the limit order on the fixation, but in my opinion, the price could go back here. And after that, I need to take a look at the market and realize either the structure will be bearish or bullish, either the price will turn around, or whatever our algorithm showing us, I will do what it shows. And if I'm gonna scale my position, I will scale it somewhere here, like $79,000, because I'm just trying to show you. The price could go here, then it bounce back here. After that, we will hit. So, wait. It could do something like that. Or it could do something like that. This is only my opinion. But if we're gonna go on the higher time frame, for example, 4 hour time frame, and this is not what you should worry about. Why I'm telling like two opposite things, because you always need to choose the time frame. You always should to choose your strategy and stick to this strategy. So I open the position on 1 hour time frame right now, and I will show you, for example, with the Ethereum, let's go back to Ethereum. How could I open the position on the 4-hour time frame? So exactly the same. I'm choosing the 4-hour time frame, and I need to wait while that filter will be lower, like that. You see that? Opening long, closing long. So if I'm gonna open the long, the price here. If I'm gonna close the long, the price is here. The same with the short position. Take a look at this. I'm opening my short position here. I will close it when the price of this yellow line will turn around. So my long position here, or short position here, I'm opening short position. I'm closing it when the price will turn it around. That moment, that moment. That's it. There is a third indicator in our algorithm which shows you the trend. So the main thing, you should always trade by trend. So if it's showing you that we are in the bearish trend, we are in the bearish trend right now. Either you opening that kind of positions like crosses, turning around. Here was the bullish trend. So either you opening from the higher point of the chart, or you're waiting until the price will come back to the trend. So I'm always showing people like the best thing to open position when the price are closer to the trend. So if it's the red line, we are opening the short position while the price hit the trend. If it's the green line, we are opening the long position while the price hitting the trend line. And you can do that with any time frame. But I opened the long position on the 1-hour time frame on the Bitcoin again and again. Please don't put all your money. Just try to understand how it works. Because if I'm gonna say tomorrow like, hey guys, so basically we are going right. Yeah, I'm right. We are always going right. But I would like to open 100 leverage position with 100% of my deposit because I'm pretty sure that the price will go lower. And I was like, I will show you like, hey, people are stupid, and I will show them they need to learn. They need to understand that sometimes in the media, they are like playing around. They just like manipulating you. They like, for example, for those of you who's been following me since August, or Ukrainian people who's been following me since 2013, 15, 16, 17, like whatever year, and you are like, hey, this guy is fucking genius. He's like doing the best thing. He's like, not always, but often right. And he's trying to help me. If tomorrow I'm gonna drop some kind of fraud link, some kind of phishing link, the trust is everything that I have. That's why you wouldn't see any kind of advertise in our social medias. Like people literally sending us coins, stock market exchanges, like whatever, like programs, bots, and I've been telling them $30,000 per one post. Yeah, that's the price. I will check this website, I will check this program, I will check this coin, and if it's gonna be like plus minus, not a scam, I will took $30,000. But I'm always telling people way more price than they expect, only just because I don't need that money. I don't want to put my audience in some kind of stupid things. So please be careful with those who's like giving you some kind of like cookies, or, oh my God, I just figured out that this coin will pump up. Especially, you know what? No, I wouldn't tell you. Like, I'm spending too much time trying to understand the psychological effect of the talking, of the body language, of some kind of like how people acting when they are lying, how people acting when they are afraid or whatever. Because I'm the entrepreneur and businessman. I'm like the investor, and sometimes I need to feel and check people with whom I'm working. So too many people texting me like, hey, I want to work with you. Hey, I want to like invest in you. Hey, I want to do that. And I need to trust people, but I need to check and confirm that trust. So that's why you should think about it, to spend some kind of time of like learning how it works. There is like too many information, like free information on the YouTube about the body language, about how people blinking, how their eyes moving, how they like put in their hands, like that. That's why like almost everyone who's trying to scam you doing like that, because they need to do something with their hands. And I have rules. I have the huge rules of the things that I'm looking when I'm talking with the person about money. Let's go further, because I think I'm the guy who could talk like all day. What's gonna happen with Bitcoin? Yeah, this is the main reason. So while we are here, take a look at this. I will go from the lower time frame. 1 hour buy, yeah? 1 hour buy here. Going on the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour buy are here. It's showing us literally like 10, like tomorrow. We need to wait until that filter will be here. So that's gonna be the best buying point. But even if you're gonna buy right now, just wait until summer or autumn. That's it. That's everything that you need to know. Unsubscribe right now. Just go and do your job. Go and live your life. Buy today, sell summer or October, November. So we have all these points from 1 hour to 4 hour time frame. If we're gonna go on the daily time frame, you see this is like literally the bottom. But the main thing why I'm afraid and why we are still has opportunity to go lower than $70,000 is that guy, the daily trading filter. We didn't see any kind of signs. You see like green here, let's put the mark here, yeah? Green here, let's put the mark here. Green here, let's put the mark here. So 1, 2, 3 lines showing us, let's put the 4 mark here, showing us like this is the big bullish signal. Take a look at this. We have this line here, 15%. Good enough. We have that green mark here and 21% movement. Way than enough. We have green mark here, but in the lower part of the trading channel, but still next 1 or 2 candles giving us impulse. The same here. The green mark here showing us 6% movement. So that's gonna be like the best confirmation for me if I'm gonna receive this signal, if I'm gonna receive the notification about like, hey Andrew, I'm sorry to interrupt you, but still we have the bullish divergence on the daily time frame. Just to your yeah, okay. So you will skip this moment. No, I wouldn't skip the moment if I'm gonna receive the notification that we are having the bullish divergence here. So the things that are frightening me, and I will explain you. The last time when the price was turning around from here till here, it took 8 days to do that movement. For a little bit more than 1 week, the price drops on the 21%. And for those of you who's been watching like 2 weeks ago, my live stream, which was 23rd of February, then I go on the Rodeo Drive and been like doing the clown things. Hey guys, just think about it by 28th, 1st, 9, 10 of March. Yeah. And some people been joking about me. Some people was telling me like, hey guy, you're crazy. The Ripple are going through the moon like, and I was like, okay, I'm not trying to convince you. I'm just trying to make a content. I'm not working for people who's like texting me, hey, I will do like opposite that you're telling. Okay, I didn't ask what you're gonna do, but thank you for your comment. It activating the algorithm of TikTok or Instagram, YouTube, whatever. I'm not trying to work with people like the Jesus didn't try to convince people who do not believe in him. He's just doing his job. He's like just flexing. Like, I'm here. I'm like wearing the cross on my back because I can defend myself from the face. But too many people, like even like the closest one, are always could hit your back. That's why I'm wearing my cross back on my back. So there is nothing that like trying to prove you of existence of the Christ or whatever. Like there is people who's believing in the flat earth. There's people who's believing in like some kind of crazy conspiracy theory, like reptiloids or whatever. And almost all the time, no one trying to convince you about that except the people who trying to convince themselves. Like, I'm trying to find more evidence of that, or this. I need to figure out why that's happening, why the war starts in Ukraine, why people cheating, why people crying, why balls itching, or whatever, like people trying to like get the information. But sometimes when they knocking in your door and telling you, hey, do you want to talk about the Jesus Christ? You just need to shut the door. That's it. Those of you who trying to put the information in your head, I didn't like invite any one of you in my social media. I'm just posting that. And you receiving the confirmation, you see that this guy like understand things. He's doing this for years in a row. Only that, like between of the and oh, nice new country. I'm just opening position. That's it. I'm talking. Like the talking is my thing. I was the TV host back in Ukraine. I was the model. I was the actor. I was doing too many things. I was the blogger. I was really popular Ukrainian blogger. And all the time I was talking about money. I was talking about financial literacy. I was talking about like, hey guys, I was the same as you. I was born in the poor family. I don't have nothing. My father is still taxi driver, like literally he receiving his first pension and he's still taxi driver, but he works not in the taxi anymore. He works in the fancy company, but he's driver. And I've been asking him like while I was have the Maybach and I was moving to United States, I asked him, hey, there is like two chances for me, two options to sell Maybach here in Ukraine where the war starts for half of the price, or move this car back in USA and drive this car here and then sell it here. I asked him, maybe I will make a present for you as I made a present before the war starts for my mom. Like I'm the guy who's buying cars for the parents and girlfriends or whatever. So he said like, you already bought me the Breitling watch. I'm wearing the Gucci bag. I'm wearing the fancy clothes. I'm having two iPhones, brand new iPhones. And my boss asking me, what the fuck are you doing in your life that you are working as a driver in our company and you have all this fancy stuff? So you should understand that if someone trying to like, hey, please, those like there is too many people who making ads through the bloggers, through the media, through whatever, like they are trying to get as much attention as they can, as they want, and this is good if you're doing business. But those who talking about the God, about the Jesus Christ, they don't need to do nothing. They just exist. Yeah, there is the church, and if you want to go there, you can go there. You don't need church. You don't need crest to talk to God or whatever who you believe, like Odin or Thor or whatever, like Kraken. I'm not the religious guy, first of all. I just realized that people who need something, they will find the way to receive the information. They will find the way to receive this support, for example, like psychological support or health support or whatever support people need. Like some people need like I don't know, like fundament support of their house, or the car hit the rock and they need to support their wheel, like whatever. I hope you understand what I'm telling. But if we're gonna take a look at here, for these 8 days of that movement, the price moves down on 20%. Let's just think about it. What's gonna happen if the next movement, so you see the price go lower, and I don't care about that. On the 1 hour time frame, I will show you again. On the 1 hour time frame, it could do something like that, or just turn around. I opened my position on the small amount of money, on the small percent of my deposit, realizing that the price will go lower. So if you're gonna watch this video 20 minutes before, you will see the price will go lower, but I'm good to open that position right now, and I will show you like that position will be fixed in profit, even if we're gonna go to the $60,000. So on the daily time frame, I truly afraid of that moment. I truly afraid. That's why we always trying to like give people some kind of space between the dates. And the last time I figured out that the easiest way to telling people plus minus 1 day, like 1st and 9th of March plus minus 1 day, the easiest way. How you could read our not signals, our forecasts. Just wait for the huge red candles. Or if we're telling you, you better sell until that day, just wait for the huge green candles. That's it. You don't need to have more information. You don't need to understand the market. You don't need to understand the smart money price action, like order blocks, whatever blocks, like support, resistance, like 69 position or whatever, like you can Google the position which called Scotch, and how to say, give me a second please. Firecracker, and give me a second, firecracker. Oh yeah, firecracker. Just Google firecracker sex position. Non-financial advice. There's a lot of things. Just trying to translate it from Russian to English. So let's wait. Let's wait with the Bitcoin. But the only thing what I'm trying to tell you, which I'm trying to show you, take a look at this bottom. For example, on the daily time frame, you see that bottom here, how it works in the past, bottom, high. So we have that huge movement. Bottom, high. Again and again. Let's see how it works. The bottom, the high, the peak. Huge movement. So the same is here. The bottom, the peak. That was bad. That was really bad. The bottom was here. Somewhere here, yeah? The high was here. But for those of you who've been watching me for a few months, you heard about this correction on the 2nd of February. You all knew that date. Like since 17th of January, I've been telling like exactly the date, 2nd of February. So the movement from that till that day was almost 9%. But from 23rd, as I said to you, 23rd, 24th of February, we will go down. The movement down was way bigger. And before of that, like here, I've been showing you that I'm opening the position from $105,000. Like you will find all this information in our social medias, like all information. I stopped sending you and showing you the P&Ls because I'm tired. Who gives a fuck about how much money I made? You want to know when you could make money, when you can, and how you can save your money, how you can save your investments. Give me a second, please. Or they're gonna block me. So the TikTok, I'm here. Thank you for following me. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for your subscription. Let's check how many likes you sent to me, you gave me. And we will see 330 likes and 440 people are watching. What's wrong with you guys? You paying for those likes or what? Like you have a limits, 2 likes per week. And today is the Sunday, so probably you still have to see some kind of videos. What's wrong with you? Like just press the like button. I'm here for you. Let's go further. The Bitcoin dominance. What Bitcoin dominance are showing us on the daily time frame? I wouldn't go higher, okay? Just because I don't want to go higher. Let's stick to the daily time frame and 4-hour time frame. So in my opinion, the Bitcoin dominance will go lower till the middle of March, and the next, like I was telling you about that for the last 2 months, the April and the beginning of or middle of June, like the beginning of summer. Yeah. So these 2 white lines showing us the huge possibility of alt season. I'm not telling you about X20, X100% of profit. I'm telling you about some kind of like March, December 2024 kind of things. X3, X4, X5. So if we're gonna go and take a look on those marks, and don't try to understand why here is the peak and on the 1 daily time frame it's a bottom, because inside of this moment there is already could be the bottom of the 1 daily time frame. But in my opinion, we will see the end of the cycle here, October, November. This is the end of cycle. Just put the notification to your phone at the end of September. Hey, you better put the stop limits. Hey, you better fix some kind of profit. Hey, fix half of your position. Hey, quit the market. That's it. This is what I'm gonna do. So this line are here and it's showing us that the lowest dominance of the Bitcoin will be at October, November. If we're gonna go back on the Bitcoin on the weekly time frame, you will see, and I will show you. Here is the some kind of the last opportunity to quit the market with the Bitcoin. Like, yes, we could go lower till the May, then we will bounce back till the July, August, somewhere there. We will find all this movement on the 4-hour time frame. We just need to wait until that. So that's why I'm telling people, like, if we're gonna see the peak of the Bitcoin from the middle of, from 22nd of April till 14th of May. Yeah, let's put it here. This is the first high for the Bitcoin on the daily time frame, and the second high, oh my God. And the second high will be here, for example, yeah. And it shows us the August 0.10. So this is the we see that, yeah? And right now, we're gonna go back on the Bitcoin dominance. Where is that? Give me a second. We go back, we put it here, and let's try to find the same dates. 22nd, 15. Oh, it's good enough for me. You will understand right now everything. So we have how it works. I will explain it to you. We have BTC high, here. What the fuck is wrong with that? We have BTC high here, yeah? So if the BTC will be on the top and the Bitcoin dominance will be on the bottom, it means that the altcoins will be like, I don't know even where. If I'm gonna do like X5 profit, I will vote for some of you. Like I will go and find someone and buy him the car. Like, okay, I will help you. Only just because like to do something good for people. This is the first date. The second date, 15 of May. The Bitcoin price are 15 of May. Here. The Bitcoin price are on top and the Bitcoin dominance are going down from the highest point on like at the beginning of May. We are going down with the Bitcoin dominance. It means that the altcoins are performing. That's it. The altcoins will perform from the end of March till the middle of here. The altcoins are performing here. And altcoins will perform exactly the same until 15 of, so the altcoins will perform here. Why? Because the price of Bitcoin are still trading in the like small channel or going up and the dominance are going down. That's why I was telling you like weeks and weeks and weeks before this live stream that we will probably see the first some kind of alt season at the end of March, at the beginning of April. Then it's gonna be summer 2025, and the last point, the last things, the last dates. Oh, again, one more thing. We have one more date. 10th of okay, so we have what's wrong with you? BTC high here, and what's gonna happen on this June 18? Oh, the bottom of the, so here we have BTC low. If the Bitcoin are low and the Bitcoin dominance are low as well, the altcoins are almost not performing, or some of them are performing, some of them are staying like plus minus few percent of movement. So that's the marks which you should consider of holding your assets until. And the last like the probably the bottom of the Bitcoin dominance. Why it looks so bad here? We don't need that one. Can you do some kind of screenshot of that information? So I will delete it. We already have some kind of like things on the live stream. So I will delete that one, that one, that one. Same here, here. And we'll go back to the weekly time frame. And so, in my opinion, from that point, even that, from here till here, the Bitcoin will fall, will drop, will crash, and the Bitcoin dominance will bounce back, going up, going down, and it will affect the huge market crash. Because like I'm trying to tell you this for even half a year already, Like for those of you who's believing that the price will be $200,000, like where do you get the prescription of those like things like that you're... I need the same one. Let's talk about USDT dominance. The higher is the USDT dominance, the lower the price of Bitcoin and altcoins. It means that people are selling. I'm not the kind of person who believe or who trying to tell people that the price affects buying and selling power. No. It gives some kind of effect on the market, but it's not the main, because the price moves by algorithm. So if we're gonna go here, we will see, that's why I'm talking about that we will probably go up from today or tomorrow. We will see. Exactly the same mark was here from 28th of February. So it means that from 28 till some kind of date, the USDT dominance will go lower, the price of all crypto market will go higher. So we will put this mark here on 10th of March. So it means if we still have this movement and we still have that movement, the market could go lower. The market still could go lower, as I said to you at the beginning of the live stream. But I choose to buy on the small amount of money today. So I bought before this live stream and I said to my Ukrainian followers, I bought on 10% of my deposit right now. Only just because I will do the live stream and I wouldn't have the opportunity to do something like that, like to sit in the phone on the exchange and buying this online. So I'm checking it. As those of you who's just seeing me for the first time, I'm talking about the financial literacy, about the crypto, about stock market, about the best buying and selling dates of the Bitcoin and other assets. So follow me. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your likes. Thank you for your comments. Just go and watch a few videos there or visit link in bio and you will find all additional information. Thank you very much. And I come back to my YouTube followers, so you can go visit link in bio. And I'm inviting you to take a look at this live stream. So you will see the screen of the chart. So it means that the price could go lower for the Bitcoin and all crypto assets, but for the for USDT dominance, we will do something like that. That's it. That's what I'm waiting for, the huge pump of the market. As I said on the picture of this video, as I said in the name of this video, the pump to the moon. The first point will be maybe, let me tell it to you, something like that. Not financial advice, but in my opinion, the price of BTC and whole crypto market will go up from 10-12 of March till 18 of March, then one more correction on 23rd of March, and we are going up until the end of March. I'm sorry. One more correction on 3rd, 4th of April, and flying to the moon until May. The next selling dates are summer. After that, That's it. This is how I see what's gonna happen with the market in the next few months. This is like some kind of forecast. Yeah, this is some kind of like thank you for watching me for almost hour and a half. This is the main thing what's gonna happen next, but it's not the end. From that point we will talk about total. We will do this fast. Because last time we were interrupted on the interesting thing. I was trying to show you like how, in my opinion, will market perform in the next couple of months. So in my opinion, we will see something like, give me a second, please. Something like that. Yeah, I think something like that. Yeah, I truly believe that we will go higher. I truly believe in that. I wish, I'm begging, I'm praying, please. I need this money, please. So, in my opinion, we will do something like that. We will still have few bottoms more, but the total on the daily time frame showing us that the price will go up till the middle of April. You see that? Middle of April. Like buy here, sell here. Then we will do something like blah, blah, blah. Who cares? On the weekly time frame, we are still have that kind of bottom on May. But you see that yellow line here? That yellow line? That's what shows me that the price will like immediately, right now, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, in 3 days and 12 hours, everything will change. Like whatever. In the next couple of days or weeks, we will go higher. So the total one showing us, here is the huge line, and the total one including Bitcoin. That's why I'm thinking that the last chance for Bitcoin will be in July. And no matter what the price is gonna be here, like take a look at this. The weekly time frame here shows us that like the bottom of the bottom from the $109,000 till $50,000, I don't care, will be in May 2025. That's why I've been telling people from the beginning of the year, from the end of the previous year, like, hey guys, this is the end for the Bitcoin. The price will drop. But then, anytime soon, everything could change because we have like fear and greed index showing us like 10 on the last week. And right now it's like 22, 26. Who cares? You scared, I'm scared, everyone's scared. Boo. You're so funny, Andrew. I will put the like. That's why you're not liking my videos. Yeah, because I'm talking too much. Okay. Previous 2 videos, I was telling the bad words, and I will do this again. Let's check. 460 people are watching this video, and there is only 399 likes. Look, take a look at this. I'm putting 400 like right now. Those of you who do not like this video, your mom will die in the next couple of days. I'm not telling anything bad, like that's not what I want, that's not what I wish. Maybe you wish that? Then don't like. All the best to your parents, all the best to your moms, especially like yesterday was the World Women's Day. This is not the best thing to make as present to your mom, but everything is in your hands, really. Like, the TikTok will ban me right now, I'm telling you that. Oh my god, I have 44,000 likes. Can we do like 100 in a few minutes? Is it possible? Okay, so if you're gonna skip all these 4-hour time frames, which I'm telling you each month, like buy here, sell here. If you're gonna skip the daily time frame, which showing us like buy right now, the daily time frame, let's take a look again. The daily time frame on the Bitcoin showing us like buy right now, sell here, and then buy again here. Yeah, buy again here. So if we're gonna skip all of that, and we will stick to the weekly time frame of the Bitcoin, and the weekly time frame, I will show you the weekly time frame of the Bitcoin. You see that here. This is the May, the beginning of May. So I'm pretty sure that at the beginning of May, we will see one more correction. If we're gonna stick to the weekly time frame, then from that point till that point, that's gonna be the last opportunity. In my opinion, Trump could not do that to people. Like, he can put the market lower. I even think that he's trying to crash all the markets for the next couple of weeks or days or months to convince and push the Feds to lower the interest rates. So he can borrow way more and way cheaper money to close all the American debts. That's only like some kind of conspiracy theory of Andrew. That's why he signed the Bitcoin Strategic Reserve. He need to put the price lower down. So you, all those who scare, who don't understand, who don't have risk management or don't have strategy, who don't have any kind of knowledge, who doesn't follow me and who do not like these videos, because you will like literally dig in the hole for your mama. Like, I wouldn't like, this guy is crazy. He don't know what he talking about. That's not my mom. So for all these people who afraid, we call them paper hands, weak hands. They will sell, the government will buy, they will pump the price with the help of like few tweets and few news like, oh my God, okay, we did that. Like, I don't care what they're gonna do. Like, I don't care. They will pump the price up. They will sell to all these people who's like, oh, why I sold it, everything, oh my God, Natasha, where is my money? Hello. I'm so uncomfortable to ask, but could you please send me my salary for the next 6 months upfront? I would like to buy back the Bitcoin. Yes, it costs $120,000, I know, but it will cost $200,000. So they will sell to like, who's there? To all of that people, the high of the Bitcoin, and then we solve the American debt. For example, like $33 trillion right now, or how much? They will fix even 10% of these debts. All news we're gonna say, oh my God, this is how we make America great again. This is how we do. Yeah, and you know this song, this is how we do it. I literally see this picture, like he's doing some kind of dance. By the way, I was playing, oh, I need to open LLC today. Who cares? And after that, take a look at this, take a look at this. All of those who's not following me, all of those who's like, I will do the opposite the way you said. You are stupid, Andrew. Okay, who cares? So after that, for those of you who's been watching me without the chart on the TikTok, it looks like this guy are crazy, but with the chart, it's way more funny, believe me. So we're the end of 2026. We are already can tell you that the end of all worst thing in the world will be at the January 2026, like December 2026, January 2027. Just if you will miss again and again, like you miss all the bull runs and you will miss this one as well. Or even if you're gonna lose some kind of money with that cycle, or you're not gonna fix some profit, just wait until the end of 2026. Find my channel. Probably there's gonna be like million of subscribers, because if it's gonna happen, I will call to every blogger. I will pay them like thousands of dollars and I will say like, hey guys, could you please like make some kind of video about me that I predict all the movements? How much? $10,000? Who cares? Like, just do it. By the way, we're trying to do like some kind of giveaway for people who will post the duet video with any kind of my TikTok video and will tag me and will like show people like this guy predict this movement. You will find like from I'm start doing the TikTok since August. There was waiting enough the perfect predictions, the perfect forecasts. So do any kind of duet video with me and we will add you to some kind of like lower level of the private group. And that's not everything. I hope they wouldn't ban me right now. So that's not everything. Maybe 3, maybe 5 people who will do that will receive $100 from me. And one person, not one, I will write the rules in the Telegram group. I will do this. I will like gather everything, but this is like some kind of preview of the this challenge. And few person will receive money and few person will receive our perfect algorithm for free. That's it. All you need to do is to post any kind of video where I'm predicting the movement, when I'm like screaming to the people, please don't buy now, wait until, don't buy Tesla, don't buy like whatever, like there is too many videos on the TikTok. And we will do that kind of like giveaway for people. That's it. I think that's like fair enough for your support to me. I will have millions of views. Let's not talk about the following. Let's talk about the views, because I'm not the best person to follow because I'm like rude. I'm realistic. I'm honest. I will tell you, you have the spinach here. Like just remove that because it looks ugly. I'm the guy who will tell, okay, good for you. I don't care. I wouldn't do some kind of, oh my God, really? Wow, and what's happened next? I don't give a fuck. If we are friends, we are friends. If I don't know you, I don't need to know your problems. I need to know your like story. So let's go to the total 2. Everything excluding BTC. So the total 2 showing us that the price of all crypto market excluding BTC. So the main player here is Ethereum. So you should think about it just a little bit. And we're not gonna talk about, oh no, let's go to the 4-hour time frames. The 4-hour time frame showing us exactly the same. You see the previous mark was, what are you doing, Andrew? I need some kind of partner. I need some kind of someone who's been talking to me here. Like I will put the second mic and we will have the conversation because I'm going crazy. Your Mac will sleep soon. No, please. Wait, Mr. Mac. 2%. I need. Give me 1 second. 1, 2. Hello, Mr. Mac. Please don't do this. Please. Okay? Thank you. Give me a second, please. I will turn on this because we will lose the picture and people in the private group will lose the live stream of the trading indicator. So we have that, we plug in that, everything is good. We save the world, die hard, yeah. Only in cinema. So I'm going crazy, really. Please, for those of you who have a relationship with the Rolex or the Marpiguet, some of you remember that in September I sold my Audemars Piguet and put this money in the market and then I like fixed the profit and everything like that. So I'm looking for the new watch and I don't want to overpay. If you have some kind of like whom I can, something like that, please, like, I need watch. I cannot wear Apple Watch, like I literally hate them. So please help me and I will help you. We will talk. We'll figure out what we're gonna do. So the 4-hour time frame showing us like this guy was here 2 weeks ago on the live stream. So we will put it off and The total 2 will turn around from tomorrow and will go up till the same 16, 17, 18. So we have few of those marks here and here on the 4-hour time frame. Let's move them from the daily time frame. The all market excluding the BTC will go higher till the, take a look at this, till the May and then June. But what's gonna happen with the weekly time frame? I will show you. From that moment, like I'm thinking that till the 13th of March, this is the last opportunity before the last pump, because everyone are afraid right now. Everyone is like, oh my God, we will go all over. Yes, please. Yes. Until 13th of March, please. I need to see price lower, so I will like put all my money there. I'm not gonna sell my kidney, but if you want to buy my Bentley or whatever else, I will do this. I sold few real estate property in Ukraine and this money are waiting for buying. They are here. So we have that mark on the daily time frame and that mark on the weekly time frame. So I think that the last days for Ethereum will be at the end of summer. And we're gonna open the Ethereum chart. Take a look at this. Here it is. July. This is the weekly time frame, July. It shows July. So I will tell you, the middle, the end of summer. This is the end for Ethereum, because the Ethereum will do what? From here, like, hello, this is Vitalik Buterin. Very nice to meet you. Hello, I'm Vitalik. Oh yes, I have Ethereum. Oh, nice, Vitalik. What can you do with all your Ethereum? Hey, you know, sometimes. No. Please, I need to do this. So, we have Vitalik Buterin. Yes. Hello, my name is Vitalik Buterin. Oh, what's gonna happen with all Ethereum from the summer 2025? Whee! No, Vitalik, please don't do this. Please, Vitalik. My bad. I love Ethereum. Really, this is the first coin which made me rich. I made X50. I was mining Ethereum with my partner since 2016 till the middle of 2019. Then all our like mining farms starts to collapse. We need to spend way more money to clean them, to fix them or whatever. So I sold it. That was huge. That was crazy. I bought the biggest house in my life, like I think it's 4,000 square feet was like the huge land, the perfectly new design, 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, like what the fuck. So the total too showing us the same Vitalik from here. I'm learning to breathe through my vagina. Okay, so that's what total 2 shows us. Total 3, everything excluding the BTC and Ethereum, it shows us like again and again the July on the look. This is the weekly time frame. We will find the exactly date where you should consider to sell. We will find those dates. Just wait. Today is only the beginning of March. And we're talking about the summer. Your mom probably wouldn't see that because how many likes we have? 450. Few moms will like, but it's fine. I totally understand if you do not like because your mama already like, my bad. Sorry for putting this up, but everything is joke. Please don't be like angry at me. I'm trying to make some kind of jokes. I don't have this kind of borders about like the tolerant jokes or whatever. Like everything is the humor, if it's humor and if it's not trying to offend anyone. Like sometimes I'm receiving too many hateful speech, especially from Ukrainian people, and I'm like visiting their pages and I was like, oh my god, this is like the biggest person in the world. Like literally she should live in the like barn to come back home without like squeezing in at the door hole. So, or like this person literally has like that, like whatever. You will notice this kind of thing, like, you know, when the children back in school like telling like, hey, did you see her face? Did you see her nose? Like I was like, why the hell did you telling me about me or my job or my hobby or whatever I'm doing, because I'm not asking your opinion? And you are waiting that I wouldn't tell you. Like, do you remember the Terminator 2, the scene when the T-1000, I was trying to say that in Russian, T-1000 Terminator was pointing his finger in the Sarah Connor's shoulder and he was like, call John. Like the needle was doing her pain. So that's kind of things, who am I? Like if you're trying to make some kind of pain to me, I will find the smallest hole in your body. Like, you know, the tooth hole, and I will put my I will find what to put there. So the total tree, everything excluding the BTC on the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame. Where is 4-hour time frame? Here it is. The same, like it was showing like 27. Okay, it works perfectly. We all knew what's happened on the 27, 28. But after that, what's gonna happen next? Here we have here, and we also have here. So we have few dates, and on the daily time frame we are going up till the June, and on the weekly time frame we are going up. Look at this, we are going up till August. That's why I'm pretty sure that all we need to do, just wait until that filter will turn around and just fix your, take a look at this. We are exactly at the same position. Take a look at this. This is the August, September. Take a look at this. For example, let's go to the Telegram group. This is the post for people who like trying to figure out and find some kind of evidence that we are doing this all the time. So if we're gonna open that link, you will go directly through the TradingView post, which was made August 8, 2024. Trushkovsky, it's me. Yes, it's me. Hello, my name is Andrei. I 35 years old, grown up man, but with the brain of like retarded children. You know, when you have money, when you have like the courage to be yourself, when you have when you don't care about opinion of people, you can do whatever you want. Like whatever. I can literally show you my like bambuka, as my father says, like my Burj Khalifa, but they will block me. So you can do whatever you want because you live in your best life. That's why all these celebrities, all these like rich people, they don't give a fuck about what like hungry people in Africa think about them. They give like 1% of the money, so the people like, oh my god, thank you very much, Mr. Bill Gates, thank you very much, wee. And they just live in their best life. So I'm living my best life for the last 10 years and I don't give a fuck about everything else. I'm like just literally doing what I want. I'm buying this kind of like the expensiest, oh my god, why it's so heavy? This is something that cost probably $12,000. Oh my god! And the laptop cost $6,000. I just grabbed it. I'm buying all kind of this, like this screen cost $8,000 for what? I don't know. All these fancy things. I'm just love to do that. And right now I want to buy the camera for $25,000. This is crazy. Not many people could afford the car for $25,000. So let's see what you're gonna find here. Just go and pin it message in our Telegram channel, and please subscribe to our Telegram channel. For all who's watching with me on the TikTok, you will find the link in bio, and for those who's watching me on the YouTube channel, you will find the link in description. We will waiting for you here. So the pinned message, the only one, you can go and watch any kind of that, or you can find me on the trading view. Go visit my profile. I stopped doing this because I didn't receive your support. You don't need that information. For example, Bitcoin 4-hour time frame. Take a look at this. There was exactly the same thing on the TikTok. What shows? Like the price will go lower, higher, lower, higher, lower. What's happened with the price? Oh, okay. There is no chart here, but we can do something like, I think, how can I open the chart? Okay, who cares? So you will find all this forecast prediction here, or you can do this here. So 8th of August, we've been telling people buy at the beginning of September, sell at the end of December. And what's gonna happen with the price? From August till the beginning of September, the price go lower, then it go higher. So take a look at this. From here, we go lower, then we go higher. And we said like sell. You cannot edit that. You cannot delete that post. You cannot do nothing. Like, oh my God, I'm gonna do this right now. So, okay, everything's gonna be fine with all your assets. Exactly the same with the others, but with the others, first of all, woo, Amber Alert. Somebody get deeper, she's dancing like a stripper. So first of all, we have the hidden divergence on the weekly time frame. It means that we will go higher probably from the next couple of weeks. But on the daily time frame of the others, it's everything excluding top 10 altcoins. And in top 10, we have the stable coins, USDC and USDT, but we are still going up till the middle of April. But you know what I want to do? First of all, I want to show you how our prediction works from the 2 previous live streams, where we said like it was exactly the same things. Like it was 23rd or 21st. When it was 23rd of February, I was telling that the Tesla will go lower, then it will go higher. So take a look at this. The price was here, we drop here, then we drop here. So 2 points was given to you on the previous live stream. Go and find this live stream. Like, take a look at this. I will show you. Tesla. TSL. Give me a second, please. 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 I'm posting too many things here. Like, people do not deserve me. Take a look at this. Who let the dogs out? Ho, 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 ho. Who let the dogs out? I've been doing this every day. I've been showing it to you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Very wonderful. Ooh. Okay, who cares? Just go and visit that channel and take a look at this live stream, that live stream, which was that live stream, which was 13 days ago. And you will find at the end of live stream, while we are talking about the Tesla going down, then we're going up. So just remember, from tomorrow, the price of Tesla will go higher. But on the daily time frame, if you are not trading your 4-hour time frame, this is not financial advice. Just wait until the middle of March. That's it. The 4-hour time frame showing us that the price will go up. The price will go up. The daily time frame shows us that the price, like, it will literally go up till the end of May. It's what about the Tesla? The same with the S&P. From the previous live stream, take a look how it works from the previous live stream. The same with the Nasdaq. Just go and see that fucking live stream. Just go and see that the Nvidia, the same. Okay, I was wrong about how deep we will go lower. I was wrong. Okay? But watch the video where I'm telling you, like, hey, just wait. Do not buy Nvidia. Just wait until the mark was on the 4th of March. You will find it like 13 days ago. I don't know. Maybe you know what's gonna happen like 2 weeks after today. Too many people even don't know where they're gonna sleep 2 weeks after today. The same with Netflix. Take a look at this. We are going up and down, up and down. The same here. Take a look at this. Down, up, down, down, up, down. And we are still not there. So probably Microsoft you should consider to buy in March. But fuck this stock market. I don't care about the stock market. I want to do one thing. I will show you that right now. Let's see. This is really funny. And for many people, let's see the popular ideas of the people and try to understand how many people was let's see that. Where was all that popular and crypto trade ideas? Okay, let's see. Let's open a few more trade ideas. I was doing that on the live stream for Ukrainian people, and that was really funny. I even found one of my friends who has like 120,000 followers even here on the TradingView. So he was telling everyone that we will go higher. So I think that's waiting enough. So this guy was telling people when the price was $78,000, it was when 2 days ago, that we are going up, then we're going down. So what's happened with the price? We are still here. We are still going down because we are on the weekly time frame. But I'm pretty sure that probably there is a huge possibility that he is right, that we will go higher till the, give me please again, till the, yeah, the same thing. I don't care about all these writings, but the same, I'm totally thinking that he could be probably right, but we will have one more correction on the May. And from that one, yeah, that probably will be something like that. The XRP, this guy been telling people on the daily time frame since when? When was, okay, we're going up. Let's see how it's happened. We are in this channel. From that, we should go higher. I wouldn't look at the altcoins today, but if we're gonna receive way more likes, we will do one more. Solana, exactly the same things. This guy telling us that from here we will go up. Okay, fine. I'm trying to find, like, last time it was really funny to look. This is the weekly time frame. I don't know why I'm not receiving all these like funny things. Wow, this works like really good. This guy make the huge prediction of the dot. Perfect movement. He catch this movement. ADA going down, then we're going up from the support level on 0.5. Yeah, probably Link. the same, we're going down. Okay, maybe Bitcoin. How can I found all others? Because this is not what I was looking. Last time there was really funny thing, and that's not funny. Bitcoin. Okay, ideas. Okay. That's not funny. Last time it was funny, really funny, but not right now. I think I said too much. I think I said enough. I think how this song? It's me in the corner, trying to keep my losing my religion. Thanks to everyone who's dealing with me, who's helping me, who's supporting me, who's smiling with me, who's making money with me. Thanks to everyone who... Okay, what's happened with the... Give me a second, please. Okay, I will turn off the live stream from the TikTok. I don't know what's happened with that, but it's waiting enough. 4,000 people been watching me there. I will turn off the camera as well. Okay, I want to say thank you to everyone. I want to say I really wishing you all the best. No matter will you go with me or you will choose your own path. No matter if you're gonna like stay on the market, if you're gonna try to learn more, if you're gonna try to open some kind of trades, or you're gonna fix your profit, you're gonna fix your losses, you're gonna withdraw your money, you're gonna spend them on yourself, on your parents, or whatever whom you want, like donate to children, donate to pets, like whatever. Just go and put it on the Vegas or whatever, like put it in the panties of some kind of strip dancer. Anora, by the way, good movie. I think that everyone in the world has some kind of reason to exist. And too many people since 2020 been telling me that you have your own reason to show people the path, how they can finish their poor lives, not with the help of like, just try to stop being poor. Try to stop thinking as a poor person. Try to stop talking to the poor persons. I'm not telling you to abandon your friends or your colleagues or your like whatever who like parents or siblings. No, I'm telling you just start to think, start to do what will put you in the community of people who are, for example, $100,000 per year. Come on, what could you afford? Even in Ukraine, this is like the lowest, the lowest that I will accept from anyone who's trying to build any kind of relationship, like $10,000 per month. Like if you cannot earn or make the business or trade or whatever, what are you doing? Like selling your pictures or OnlyFans or whatever, $10,000 per month. No matter of your knowledge, your sex, your age, we are living in the world where $10,000 don't mean nothing. I want to build around me community, I want to see people who doing like at least $30,000 per month. I want to show them the path, the way how they can go to $50,000, $100,000 per month. I want to took advices. I want to talk. I want to spend way more time that I'm spending right now because I don't have that opportunity too much with people who are billionaires. Sometimes I'm receiving calls. Sometimes I'm receiving like the opportunity to meet with them. Sometimes they calling me, just tell me, hey, how are you? Happy birthday to you, or whatever. They asking me some kind of questions about market, about other things. But I really appreciate every second of my life when the person who are way more clever, richer, smarter, healthier, like whatever, better than me, are trying to give me some kind of advice or just listening to me or asking any kind of questions. I truly believe that the reason why I'm living is to show people how to stop being poor. I'm telling to everyone, you should find a way to, trying to translate, whatever. See you next time. 1,000 likes. We're talking about the funding accounts. I will give you like some kind of way to get funded and to trade 25 or 50 or like whatever thousands of dollars you wanted to trade. 500 likes and I will do one more live stream. We are close enough to 500, so let's try to give 1,000 likes on this video, and just wait. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, maybe Monday, maybe Tuesday, buy. Do not go all in. Buy on the half. If you miss the previous date, like 28, the next time buy on the half again. You will have the average price. And please hold. If you buy an asset and you believe in this asset, if you did your own research, if you believe to some kind of me or whatever who tell you about the Ripple or whatever coin, just stick to the plan. Just believe in that project, because the price will return there where you bought and the price will go higher. Do not miss the opportunity to make yourself rich, to build your wealth in this century, as my friend says yesterday. Like, there is the chain inside your family. Like, do you ever ask yourself a question? Why so many centuries of your family, like grandparents, parents of their parents, parents of their parents, like your and your wife, for example, your mom family tree, your father family tree, they all live probably like approximately from 50 to 100 years, and still you own shit, nothing. You don't have nothing except the apartment or one family house, and you are waiting until your grandmother or grandfather will pass away and leave it to you, or maybe to your sister, or maybe to their dogs. Like, why the hell no one has nothing? Because they was always listening to the previous generation. Poor people trying to teach poor people how to live. Oh, you should go and learn, you should go and teach, you should study, my friend, and then you will get the nice job. Then you will work till your death, and then you will receive the pension. Yes, if you're gonna work well, they will raise your salary, and you will receive way more money. But they don't think about investments, they don't think about any kind of like inflation or whatever inflation. They just, oh, I get $10,000. We can buy this, we can buy that. if you are getting some kind of free money, for example, you win the lottery or you receiving some kind of like, I don't know, like your friends gave you a present on your birthday and you spending this money only just because this is the free money, you don't do nothing for that, you're the stupidest person in the room. Invest this money in your time, in your, I don't know, health, in your portfolio. Just do whatever you can do to break this poor chain of your family. Like my parents, they going crazy while I was like, since 2016, I'm buying like BMW 7, Mercedes Maybach, the new BMW X5, houses, apartments, like whatever, like literally whatever. They cannot afford for whole their life. And I was buying like something only just because I made like $100,000 for the last day, or I made like $1 million in 1 month. The best months in my life was not $1 million, unfortunately. It was $567,000 from the business and $140,000 per one trade, and probably like something like $200, $300 per deposit increasing of my spot investments for 1 month. I'm telling you, for 1 month. So that's why I've been telling about the $1 million. I can buy something way cheaper that they offering me in the dealership, in the apartment, if I'm like investing in real estate. I'm trying to show people I've been doing this since 2016 for Ukrainian people. Financial literacy. By the way, if you're gonna go to my main Ukrainian channel and you will find the financial literacy playlist and you will put the, please, Mr. YouTube, translate me this Russians, motherfuckers, Ukrainian, stupid. I want to hear what he's trying to tell me. You will receive some kind of information that was like given to people for free. And they was like always like the, not the unicorns, how this like with the one horn, the fat creature, like elephant, but with the horn. Носорог. You understand, yeah? Like a pig, but the huge one. Like elephant was fucked by the pig, and the unicorn on his nose he has this like horn. I don't know how this creature called. Really don't know. And who gives shit? So my father always telling me, he was telling to me, "Ты как носорог. You're like this creature. Like you're always like, oh man, the wall. I will break the wall." Think wider. Think outside the box. Try to like, okay, if my boss raising my salary for 5% in a year, and I like, hey wife, no, we cannot afford that back. No vacation, no, just 5%, yeah. Who cares that the eggs grow in the price twice for the last year? We have 5% more in his salary. So everyone who's working on the salary, slavery. There is a mistake in the word salary, you know? Even me, stupid Ukrainian, know that. I have the huge company where was 140 people working with me. I was in the partnership with the guy and we have more than 200 people in the company. My own few companies, that one has 11%, that one has 40%. Right now I still like holding like few managers and few helpers, assistants, like whatever. And every one of them giving me time for a small amount of money. I'm free to do whatever I want. I'm free to wake up wherever I want, to go where I want, to eat what I want. And I'm not the richest person even in this building. I truly believe in that. And when my parents stopped counting my money, they not counting it like, oh my God, he has that amount of money. They was just like, they
cannot believe that you can spend like $200,000 on something. You can buy like $40,000 watch, and this is not the expensive watch for me right now. When you're realizing that there is the watch for 500,000, 300,000 or whatever, when you can spend like, for example, all this video gear cost like 20, 30, $50,000, and I can do exactly the same content with the help of one iPhone. But I love doing this, and I'm feeling myself like really happy when I'm doing this. So I'm wishing to you to find your happiness, to find your way, to build your wealth, not because you need money, because you need to be free. Your children need to be free. They need to be born in your family, or either they was born already. They need to have chance to decide their future. You don't need to think about it, okay, my vacation starts in March and it will end in 2 weeks. I have time to go there, but I don't have money to go there. So either I'm taking this vacation and going to the forest and trying to like find the mushrooms. Oh, what a clean air, nice. Or I need to work harder and took the loan and go with my family somewhere like, no. Try to figure out how to not work until vacation, how to not work from the salary to the salary. Try to think as the rich person think. Because tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I will wake up and like, hey, I'm so tired of all of this. Who cares? They don't love me like they love Leonardo DiCaprio. Oh my God, Madison Beer, can I... Justin Bieber, he's here. Oh my God, they're literally buying this house. Did you saw that? Like people are going crazy. Like the most stupid and the most poor people in the world, they are trying to be fan of anyone. Like fanatic. Why? You have problems in your life. You have, for example, you following like beautiful woman who's like fitness woman, or you following some kind of guy who's playing tennis or baseball, basketball, football, and you like adore this person. You motivate this person. But when was the last time when you eating healthy food, skipping the fast food, going to the gym, playing tennis, playing basketball? When you not watching as someone live your dream life, when you was trying the last time to make your life a dream, and even if it's not gonna work from the first time or from the 10 times, who cares? It's your life. It's still better than it was before you start doing this, before you try to do this. And I'm not talking about the crypto. I'm not talking about the market. I'm not trying to tell you something about the investments. Everything that include money give you freedom of choice, freedom not to be that kind of guy on whom screaming the boss, the client, the whatever who, like husband. You have your own money to live your life as you wish. No one can tell you nothing until you have money. Even like we live in the same world, too many people killing someone, especially in Ukraine. So this government guy hit the children and ran away, and the children died, and his family trying to sue him, and they are all died too. Oh, what a coincidence. So the question is, I want to make a joke, but here in the corner, there is the paintings which my girlfriend made for me. And she's literally painted her body. She put herself in the paint and sit on this canvas. And there is like her... And I cannot concentrate on you. That's why I will turn it off. I'm telling you, thank you. God bless you. Be healthy, be wealthy, be smart, be happy. If you're not gonna support me, then it's okay. This is only the words, this is only the jokes. I don't give a fuck about that. This is like, for those of you who's been watching me till the end, this is some kind of manipulation. Look, I will explain you that. When you pressing the like button, the algorithm will show you all my other videos. The algorithm will understand that if this guy loved this video, he loved exactly the same amount of cryptocurrency or whatever content. That video will go through the trending algorithm and they will start to showing this video to other people. And I will have way more followers. I will have way more views. My inner child will be happy, will be, wee, they love us. That's it. This is the main truth, and I will earn way more money. Yeah, I will. Definitely. Especially when they're gonna find me. So I'm so excited of the day. Like, too many people texting me in English. Thank you very much. It's really interesting. Like, they texted me something like, hey guy, I've been following you for months. You are the crazy person. First of all, your humor, your prediction, your team, your effort that you are giving to people. And I want to tell you thank you. And I want to have opportunity to talk to you before you become famous. So believe me, I was famous in Ukraine. I was famous in Russian. Like, my videos was literally getting like millions of views. Everyone was trying to, hey, sign me paper, sign my teeth, sign my like whatever. People was doing the photos with me, the interviews. They was inviting me on the TV or whatever. Like, this is exactly the same way which is gonna happen here in the United States. It's a matter of time and how much money and time I will put in that. Because I'm not the kind of person who trying to like do some kind of editing of videos. Don't want to spend too much time on the shooting of some content, of writing a script or whatever. I'm just doing this live and it works with me. I don't care about like 2 hours, 15 minutes in a row we're talking about something and you're still, hey, just give me some kind of advice. Just tell me when to buy, when to sell. I don't even open the chart right now. I don't give a fuck about the chart. But I need to turn on my phone because my friend probably he's going crazy right now because I'm late on the 30 minutes. Okay, he's telling me that he is late. And that's, oh, I will tell you one thing, my friends. I will tell you one thing. I have the chart on the iPhone. It will turn on in a minute. Give me a second, please. So, my friends, for those of you who's been watching me right now, we have the bullish divergence on the Bitcoin 4-hour time frame. This is the first thing. First thing first, the bullish divergence on the Bitcoin. This is the position which I opened while we were doing this live stream, like 10%. Come on, if I put all my money and I will receive 10% of my portfolio, yeah, that's fine, but that's not what I want. That's not what I'm doing. But still, there is the huge possibility that right now Bitcoin will literally like. I wish you all the best. Thank you very much. Always, not yours, hers. She's there. She's waiting for me. I'm doing everything for my woman and I will do more. Thank you. Bye. Stop it. Okay.